Don't forget the worms.
Ooh, red light.
What now, jefe? ¿Qué más?
Still got water fucking coming out of it. Fuck yes. That could potentially fuck some shit up.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying, man. That water never fully turns off. I don't know. It don't matter what I do.
I mean, it might just be because we're so downhill.
Loose. Where's that piece of pipe you got?
Right here in my hand.
Hold this some bitch.
Bunch of stuff.
Yeah, there's the temp fix.
Feel sturdy?
Sturdy enough. There. Let's see how it functions.
Y'all thought the plumbing was over, right? You thought. You thought it was over, right?
Just
You thought it was over.
Do any of them really actually stink?
You were gonna have no water? Come on. Look at this.
I gotta do something with this. So they broke this too. Snapped it off in the ground. That's the sewer. They fucked that all the way up.
I'm pretty sure me and Shannon put that in. They fucked up my hard work. They fucked up Shannon's hard work. Whoa. Hard work. Back breaking.
Shannon and hard work in the same sentence?
Back breaking. You know.
You know what I paid for this battery?
Nada.
No. $100 fucking.
Really? Holy shit.
Hell yeah. I had to get a brand new fucking battery. That's a brand new, that's what a $100 DeWalt battery looks like.
I mean, dude, that's the most handy fucking tool on this whole property.
The saw?
The Sawzall. This shit is fucking
Handy dandy.
anything, bro. Yo, so for all the... Hold on. Actually, you know what? Is there any plumbers in here that would understand if you were to break it down?
The only reason that this is run here and capped off is because Lowe's didn't have the fucking reducing elbow.
Got you.
So I had to get a reducing T and then just put a piece of pipe and a cap in it. Because Lowe's is fucking stupid and don't know how to stock up on their goddamn plumbing parts.
Stupid ass.
But
Stupid.
I'm probably going to end up redoing this. This is just temporary to get the water back on now.
Right. It's an immediate...
Probably going to end up redoing it in the near future. But
I mean, dude, this was... You were not lying. That was like, what, three minutes? That was pretty good. Pretty good quick fix, dude.
yeah. Just for now. Just to get it back on. It's just a lot of cutting and gluing and cutting and gluing.
Mucho corte.
It's like when you do arts and crafts in school.
Oh, yeah. But this time, you get to sniff the glue. This is the only time they let you sniff the glue. And the glue is funner colors. This time, the glue is sometimes purple.
Oh, it still smells super good in here.
Gonna go and feed a victory beetle of returning the water to the compound to the turduckens. This is the point of view.
God damn, he swallowed that nigga whole.
Goodbye.